Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trade ideas for the week starting the 8th of October 2018. Let's first go into intraday levels and let's have a look at the ES, which is futures for Standard & Poor's 500 index. And there are three intraday levels which I really like, which I like to trade. The first one is right there. And the level is based on volumes accumulated in this area right before the start of this strong sell-off. This is a volume accumulation setup from the webinar or from the book if you read it. What I also like about it is those rejections of higher prices. Those are aggressive rejections of higher prices, which indicates strong and aggressive sellers rejecting the higher prices and after the volume accumulation pushing the price lower. So I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers who were adding to their positions there. They rejected higher prices and they pushed the price downwards aggressively. So currently I'm waiting for the price to come back to this level, and I think that those sellers will be defending their positions and they'll put the price downwards again. The second level I would like to trade is right there. It's based on the trend setup. There is a strong downtrend, and within the trend there is a significant volume cluster, strong volumes accumulated in this area, and I think that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers who were adding to their selling positions when they were pushing the price downwards. And when there is a pullback to this area, I think that those sellers will defend their positions and they'll push the price downwards. So this is the second level. And the third level is right there. Also, it's based on the volume accumulation setup as this one. And this level is based on those heavy volumes accumulated in this sideways price section area. This is basically the start of the strong downtrend. So I think that those volumes are volumes of strong sellers who started the downtrend, and when the price makes it back to this area again, those sellers will defend their selling positions and they'll push the price downwards again. Let's have a look at the crude oil, where there is another intraday level which I like to trade. Before you can see a 30-minute chart of the crude oil. This is the futures on the crude oil, and this is the long level that I would like to trade. It's based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on those really heavy volumes which got accumulated throughout this whole price rotation, throughout this price channel. Then there is rejection of lower prices, which confirms the aggressivity of the buyers who aggressively rejected the lower prices, and afterward they started this strong buying activity. So currently I am waiting for price to come back to this level, and I think that those buyers who are accumulating their positions there will defend their positions and they'll push the price upwards again. Let's have a look at the swing levels, and let's start with Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Before you can see a daily chart of the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and as you can see there is a pretty strong downtrend, and my level which I like to trade is right there. This is a short level, and it's based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on those heavy volumes accumulated in this area. What I like about this level is this strong rejection of higher prices. It indicates strong sellers rejecting higher prices aggressively and pushing the price downwards, also in a very aggressive sell-off. And currently I'm waiting for a pullback to this area. I think that those sellers will defend their positions and they'll push the price downwards again. Let's go into the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, which is the last pair I'll comment on in this video. There is a nice swing level which I like to take. It's a short from this area, and it is based on those volumes. It's based on volume accumulation setup, and those volumes got accumulated in this area. There was also rejection of higher prices as in the previous case, and strong sell-off starting right there. So this indicates strong sellers adding to their positions in this rotation and rejecting higher prices and afterward pushing the price aggressively lower into another strong sell-off. There are actually two places where the short level could be. It could either be based on those volumes or on those volumes. The reason I selected the lower volume cluster is that I don't want to miss the trade, so that's why I'm going to take the first volume, a closer volume. And also, when there is a strong trend like this, the price tends to react to the first volumes in a row, to the first resistances in a row. And first resistance is this place with those volumes. It's possible that the price will overshoot and react to the second level, but I don't want to miss this opportunity, so I'm going to place my short at this price level. Alright, so currently I'm just waiting for a pullback and I'll go short from there. I think that those sellers will be defending their positions, and from this place they'll push the price downwards again. Alright guys, so that's for the video for today. I hope you like the ideas, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, and until then, happy trading!